In this video I'm going to show you how to mute someone on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up TikTok app and then hit there at inbox icon. From here you can tap at your DMs and then open up some conversation. Once you are on conversation, just tap here at three dots icon and here it gives you an option to mute notifications from that specific person. Just enable that option and from now you wouldn't be able to get any notifications from that person even if they send you messages. Also, if this person bothering you, you can from here even block that person or report that person if you want. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.